I'm Varun Panika, project engineer for McConnell Dowell on MRPV's Epping Road Upgrade project. The project is adding extra lanes and upgrading intersections from Waller to Epping. As part of this project, we are building this historic dry stone wall.
My name's Evan Pearce. I'm a dry stone waller. The heritage dry stone wall that we are reinstating here now, obviously the context on the surroundings has completely changed. So what we now have to consider is reinstating a dry stone wall with the same aesthetic of the past, but with the safety and longevity for the future. Dry stone walls are based on two overarching forces, gravity and friction. Gravity, that downward force, and friction, I'm talking about lots of contact between the stones, and that's what we're focused on here. We're creating lots of contact between the stones, so the ultimate goal is that the wall settles as one. We fill our walls with a lot of smaller stone, and that's like a natural adhesive. It bonds the wall together. So structurally, over time, this wall here that the guys are setting out will actually be stronger in half a year. It will settle in. These walls now will last for a few hundred years.